escape to this stunning 5-bed 3-bath farmhouse nestled on 119 acres with over a mile of river frontage, offering breathtaking views and serene surroundings. The beautifully restored home seamlessly blends historic charm with modern updates, featuring inviting covered porches and a patio. The property boasts an orchard, entertainment pavilion ideal for gatherings, a 3-car car garage, 8-car carport, and multiple equipment barns for ample storage. Private trails meander through the property, leading to wildlife stands and a beautifully sandy beach along the river, creating a haven for outdoor enthusiasts and nature lovers. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.